Okay, so if we just return to our words vector, we can also we can analyze, the length of the vector, which is currently 6. If we want, we could even increase the length. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to combine the vector words with a new word. Doesn't have to be like that. So what's going to happen now is we've got the words vector of length 6, and we're going to add in new word to it, and now it's got length 7 because it's got that new value, new word. Okay. I'm also going to do it one more time, and I'm going to add in Dylan, another one. All right. So now we've got even one more word, so it's length 8. Okay. So we might say how many unique. So if we run that in, it's pulling out all the words, but it's not having the second predator being listed. So that's giving us only the unique options. Okay. Yeah. Also, we might say this function here duplicated. So words, it's going to go through the vector, and it's saying, are any of these words duplicated? So it's picking up that the last predator, this one, is a duplicate of this predator here. So what would happen if we go unique? It's telling us which words are going to be excluded. Okay, and then we might also run this test here, any. So that's gonna go over this vector of Boolean values and tell me if there's any trues inside it, which is true. Okay, that's just another little nifty little function to know about. N distinct. So how many distinct words are there? 7, but the length is 8. Yep. So that's really good. Something else. So before here we had a this vector here, selected words. I'm just going to copy it again. And we've got words again. Okay. So there's a function, like a filtering function for strings, and that is a setDiff. setDiff. So if we've got words and then we've got selected words, it's saying which words are in words but not in the selected words. Okay, what's the other one? Is it union? No. Give me 1 second. I'm just going to quickly figure out what. Okay, yeah. So it was union. So union of words and selected words. Yeah. So that is just telling me, saying, oh well, go through these two vectors and give me all the unique words between these two vectors. Okay, so that's pretty good. And then intersect. Well, we probably can guess what that means. That means tell me the words that are in both. Okay, so we had intersect, union, and we also had setDiff. Okay, so they're two very good filterings. I think they even work for numbers. So if we've got, here we got numbers. Oops. Numbers, and that has 8, 6, 10, 6, 4. So let's just say 5 to 10. So yeah, so the common numbers in this vector and that vector are 8, 6, and 10. Once again, union also works, and setDiff. Yeah, okay, so the only number in this vector here that is not in the numbers 5 to 10 is 4. So cool, very useful. All right, so there's a few interesting little functions for these actually assist you with subsetting your vectors, whether they're strings or numeric vectors.